Hey friends, and welcome back. I'm so excited to share with you one of my TikTok DIYs. You may have seen this shower curtain framed art canvas hack, I guess, all over TikTok. If you're not following me over on TikTok, make sure you go ahead and do that at our mouse house. And I made this print for our office. So the first thing that I did was just take this shower curtain, and I got this one off of Amazon, and I will link it for you guys in case you like this shower curtain too. And I'm going to end up using about half of this shower curtain. So this is the pretty floral print. And I am taking these pieces of MDF that I just went ahead and painted. I bought primed pieces and I mitered the corners, and I cut the longest one as 3 feet and then the sides at 2 feet. This is the MDF that we ended up using. At first, I just took a nail gun and nail gunned the edges, but that wasn't quite strong enough. So we went back in with these L brackets and just really easily screwed in these L brackets. You don't really need any fancy tools for this DIY. We have a miter saw, but you can definitely just use a miter box to make these cuts too. And then we're just going to use our staple gun and staple our shower curtain to the frame that we have made. So we could pull it evenly. We kind of took turns on each side, so you could see I'm pulling my side here, and I'm gonna go ahead and staple that down. And then I'm going to hand it off to Corey, and he's gonna staple the other side down. We did this so we could kind of keep it pulled tight all the way down as we were doing it, but honestly, I don't think it really matters. I think you could probably just do it one person without a second person. You don't have to necessarily pull them at the same time, but it did help us kind of keep everything straight. And once we got it stapled around all of the sides, I just went in with my scissors and trimmed off all of the extra. And this is what it looks like all done. I love how big it is. It definitely makes a statement in my office. And we just ended up attaching a sawtooth hanger right in the middle because we're hanging ours on paneling, so we only have kind of one stud to play off of. But this one in the middle was fine. It's holding it right into place. It's also really lightweight, and it's just beautiful. I love it so much. It looks kind of, it makes such a statement. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, you can find more from us here. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow all of our adventures. Give it a big thumbs up and leave me some love down below. Bye.